The thing about this chocolate cake is it's not meant to look like a classic Scrandline over the top cake. I mean, it is over the top, but this is meant to be for kids. It's a great kids Easter baking project. It's made of my really good chocolate cake recipe. This frosting, oh, it's got some on my hand. It's made, well, it's actually really silky smooth and shiny and glossy. It's great chocolate buttercream frosting. I'm going to show you how to achieve that. There's one simple trick on how to get that really glossy, smooth chocolate frosting. The decorations on top, you can pretty much add anything you like. It's up to you. The kids will have fun making it. I certainly think this is something that Zoe would have fun making when she's older. For now, let's get stuck into the recipe. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see me make next. I would love to hear you say hello as well. By the way, I have a savoury channel. It's called The Scrandline Everyday. Link for that is in the box below. Go check it out. I'll leave a preview at the end of this video of what my latest video is. But for now, I think I need to try this. I've been munching on the scraps. Really good chocolate cake. It's everything you love about chocolate. It's like a huge chocolate hit. It's not, I wouldn't say it's overly sweet. It's really soft and really moist. Don't even get me started on what happens to this cake the next day. You can keep it in the fridge that long. It goes even more moist. Recipe is on thescrandline.com. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scrandline. Here's a preview of my latest video on my other channel.